Hello guys, good morning. Today we are going to learn the square root value of any number. The first thing we have to notice is that to find the square value of any number, we need to know the squares of up to 20. This is a basic thing we have to learn first. Then only we can find the square root value of any number. The square root value is just similar as the cube root value, but the cube root value is much easier than the square root value. Today I am going to explain the square root value of any number. First we have to divide the number in the last two numbers. In the cube root value, we have divided the last three numbers into one part and the remaining number into another part. But in the square root values, we have to divide the last two numbers and the remaining part in one number. First step is that divide the number into last two numbers into one part and the remaining number into another part. Then we have to notice that unit digit of a number, that is 1, and we have to find the unit digit of a number which comes with 1. We have to check with only 1 to 10 numbers. Let us see. 1 square is equal to 1. Here the unit digit number is 1, and 9 square is equal to 1. 81. The unit digit is 1. So the unit place comes with either 1. Unit place is either 1 or 9. This is the first step. And the second step is we have to check the last remaining number, that is 15. Second step, 15, we have to take the nearest square values which is lower than this number, or we can use as 15 comes between, look at this, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 15 comes between 3 and 9 and 16. So 3 square and 4 square, we have to take the lowest number, just as similar as a cube root number. So 3 is the answer. We are going to take the value of 3. And the third step is we have to multiply the number after this number. So after 3 we get 4. 3 into 4, 12. This is the third step. And we have to check whether this value is lower than this number or higher than this number. Here 15 is more than 12, so we have to take 9 as a unit place. If the 15 is less than 12, if the multiplication value we have got is more than this number, remaining number, we have to take the lowest number. I will explain details in the next problem. So here the unit place is 9 and the remaining number is 3. So the square root value of 1521 is 39. We have to follow the same procedure for the remaining things as usual. First we have to divide the number into last two numbers and the remaining number is another number. Then we have to find the unit place 4. We have to check which square value ends with the unit place 4. Here 2 square is equal to 4 and 8 square is equal to 64. So unit place comes as either 2 or 8. That's it. Next, 125. Remaining number is 125. 125 comes between 11 square and 144. 12 square. 11 square is 121. 12 square is 144. We have to take the 125 comes between either 11 square or 12 square. We have to take the lowest number. So we are going to take 11. And the next step is multiply this number with the next number. 11 12s are 132. Then we have to check whether the remaining number is smaller or bigger than this number. Here the remaining number is 125 is smaller than 132. So we have to take the lowest number. So we are going to take the unit place as 2. And the remaining number is 11. And the next number is 176.89. The first step is divide the last two numbers into one part and the remaining number into another part. Okay, and we have to check the unit number 9. 9 comes between 3 square is equal to 9 and 7 square is equal to 9. So unit place is either 3 or 7. Okay, and the next number is 176. 176 comes between either 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 13 square and 14 square 169, 196. we have to take the lowest number, so we are going to take 13 into 14. I am going to explain it in an easy step as multiplication. 13 into 14, 4 3 is 12, 1 carry, 8, 182, and we have to check whether the number is smaller or bigger than 182. Here 176 is smaller than 182, so we are going to take least number, that is 3. Yet the square root value of 176 189 is 133, and the next number is 39204. We have to follow the same procedure as dividing the last two numbers into one part and another number into another part. So we have to observe the unit place, that is 4. 4 comes in the square root value of square numbers of 2 and 8. 2 square is equal to 4, 8 square is equal to 64. So the unit place is either 2 or 4, 8. And the next step is 392. 392 comes between 19 square and 20 square. 19 square is equal to 361, 20 square is equal to 400. We have to take the lowest perfect square value, lowest value, that is 19. We have to multiply the 19 by next number, 19 to 20, that is 380, and we have to check whether the number 392 is smaller or bigger than 380. Here the number 392 is greater than 380, so we have to take the greater value, that is 8. So the unit place is 8, and the next numbers are 19. The square root value of 39204 is 198. And in the same manner we have to do for 24336. We have to divide the last two numbers into one part, and we have to check unit number, that is 6. 6 comes between 4 square and 6 square. The unit place is either 4 or 6. And the next number is 242. 243 comes between either 15 square 225 and 16 square 256. 225, 256. We have to take the lowest number, so we are going to take 15, that is 15. And the next step is multiply the number next number to this, that is 16. 15 into 16, 15 square 225. Shortcut, 15 into 15, 225 plus 15, 240. We have to check whether 243 is smaller or bigger than smaller number than 240 or bigger number than 240. Here 243 is larger than 240. So we have to take the largest value in these unit numbers, that is 6. So the unit number is 6 and the next number is 15. So the square root value of 24336 is 156. So that's it, guys. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe.